Hi everyone, thanks for watching my video. I created this video as a supplement to my most current blog titled A Quick Trick Using a Relative Date Filter in Power BI. Just to give you a little background about my problem, my reports need to show a rolling default of 13 months in the service. However, my users also need to be able to see other months which date back to July 2016. I did some research and saw recommendations to use the relative date filter. However, this will limit my data to only the rolling 13 months. Updating these reports manually took up to an hour, and I needed them automated, so I came up with a quick trick using the relative date filter. So now, let's go look at my report in Power BI Desktop. Okay, and here we are in Power BI Desktop. As you can see, I have a rolling 13 months from October 2019 to October 2020. My issue is that if I use the relative date filter, it will publish to the service. However, my users will not be able to see the past data, which starts back from July 2016. Let me show you my trick. So in the filters pane, down on the filters on all pages, as you can see right now, I have the month filter, which is starting from October 2019 to October 2020. When I publish this, my users can see the other dates. However, then I would have to do this manually every month. So this is what I came up with. Let me clear the filter first. Okay, and now let me go to the relative date filter type, and I'm going to select is in the last 13 months. I'm going to hit apply filter. Once I do this, again, I can see my default of rolling 13 months from October 2019 to October 2020. Now what I do is I go back to the basic filtering filter type, and now I can see July 2016 all the way to October 2020. I am going to collapse this, and then I am going to collapse my filters, and I'm going to publish to the Power BI service. Okay, and here we are now in the Power BI service. So if we look over to our right, you can see filters on all pages. If I open this up, if I expand this, I can now see July 2016 all the way to October 2020, and at the same time, I have my rolling 13 months, which in November will then automatically update itself to November 2019 to November 2020. And if you see here, if I want to select other months, my users can, November 2019, January 2020, February 2020, and March 2020. Now, if they want to, and they want to see the automatic default that we had left it at, that's all they have to select is reset to default. And I hit reset, and look at that, back to October 2019 to October 2020. Yay! Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see my blog, please go to itdatadiva.com. Thank you.